Chainlink price update. Starting off on the daily chart, then we're going to zoom out to the weekly and even monthly. We got our Gaussian channel on, our moving averages. We're going to look at some fibs. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want more help navigating these markets, consider subscribing to our Patreon group or at least join our free Telegram. Throw a lot of extra content around those areas. And also on X. So let's get right to it. The high from May, our low from July. We've ran into some resistance, and not just a little bit of resistance, some major resistance. Why do you say that? I'm glad you asked. We have not only the median Gaussian channel line, but also the 100 and 200 daily EMAs there. This is major hold down for Link. If Link could break $15 area, we've talked about that for weeks now. Once we get back above 15, the chains come off. The flannel comes back on. The sign, everything in blue, everything's back to blue. And Sergey, just starts slapping people, right? Get above 15. Everything goes well. Let's look at the Fibonacci here, right? So rough, quick estimate here from our high to low, right? Not only that, but look at what just happens just above us. Our 618. We can really pick up some steam if we can get back above that. The 0.5, 1458. Just get the hell out of 15 and we can really start making some moves to the upside for the charts. Okay, now let's zoom out to the weekly. Anything else we have? Well, we have some good things going here. We have a test of the 200 week in the pink, right? And we're holding that median Gaussian channel line on the weekly. Very important to hold that, right? We don't want to creep below that. As of right now, this week, it's at 1242 for that weekly. As long as we don't close below that, close below this candle, which we closed at 1235, we're A-okay. We've got our low in now, and now it's time to climb back to the high side. Now, the high Gaussian channel there, you can see to the left is 1560. Again, everything starts to go chain links back to the bullish favor. Get back above the 15 area. You can also note, look at the 21-week EMA here, right at $15. You think 15 is going to be significant? Yes. The answer is yes. All right. How about we go out to the biggest time frame, the monthly? We have some skews across the Gaussian channel, but we can zoom in. What do we notice here? Well, let's keep it simple. After getting back above the median, after spending the entire bear market under the median, we got back up, and we're now holding that as support. We wicked down right to it. The median several times on the monthly. Good sign. Okay, we don't want to go lower than that. We've hopefully seen the worst of the worst for Chainlink and many altcoins, holding the 21 month for the past 4 months as well. We have just over a week until we closed July. Close above the 21 month. As of right now, that's $13. It's not a tall ask. We're at $13.67 right now. All right. Also, where the hell did we find resistance? Back-to-back months. The top of the Gaussian channel on the monthly, that was at 2090. Right there. Back-to-back months. Come back down. No big deal. Right? This is just a throwback retest. The start of a stair step on the macro scale. Right? Here's 1. Let's go back and test. 2. Where do you think 3 goes? Right? This is the logical spot for the bull run. Right? 3, the macro, right, could take the better part of another 6, 8 months, 12 months even. But that gets us back out of here. And then we just continue, right? We'd love to see a little bit higher of a ramp. Yeah. Okay. So speaking of that, how high? Well, let's look at some fib levels here. Right. Let's go all the way back. First swing high, swing low for the macro, the monthly, our all-time high, low. Right. What else do we see here? Let's drag this out so you can see it a little bit better. Look at where the 618 is at $21. Look at where we held the line, the Gaussian channel. At $21. Rocket ships start to form here, right? It spits out blue flames. Flannel flames at 21. That's what we're looking for. 382 back tested 4 consecutive months. It's time for the trampoline effect to kick in. The 0.5 at 16, right? That's when we already have ignition there. 618, $21. 786 is 50% higher than that. Look at that move. That's a 50% move right to the 786. Look at that. Right? Then all-time highs. There's nothing else, right? We have all the blue skies, the blue flannel, everything's blue. Again, we start to climb above 15, gain some momentum, 21, and it's just go time, right? You don't have to take my word for it. Look at the damn charts. How many times can we illustrate this? It's there, right? So that's it. Hopefully you found that a little bit helpful. Put your mind at ease a little bit. I think the lows are in. Altcoin wide, I think we're turning the page to the happier times again. I think alt season's probably still about 4 weeks away, give or take. A little bit, right? And we look at, total 3 for that. We look at altcoin dominance for that. We look at Bitcoin dominance for that. That's what we talk about in our Patreon and Telegram groups on a daily basis. So join us there. Try it out. I think you'll find it well worth it. Keeps you on top of everything on a daily basis, so you're not left out and wondering what the hell's going on. All right. Quote and card of the day. Let's get to it. Those who dare to fail miserably can achieve greatly. Couldn't agree more. If you know someone that's never done any kind of failure in life, then I can tell you how boring their life is because they've never taken any risks, right? Maybe you know those people. Hopefully you're not those people. All right. Card of the day. And one of the most impressive pieces of art on wheels, Koenigsegg Jesko with the carbon fiber wheels. Let's take a closer look. Look at that. The whole wheel is carbon. I can't imagine having to get a replacement, brake job on this. Probably 10, 20 grand. Car, how much is the car? Well, you can, if you're lucky enough to find one for sale, I mean, about 3 to 5 from what I've seen, 3 to 5 mil. I think we all could take 2 or 3 of these, right? That'd be fun. There's probably the coolest picture I found of one. I know my picture's kind of blocking it a bit, but hell yeah. Koenigsegg Jesko. I think I got one more. There's the back, because you couldn't see the back on this one. Amazing. All right, we'll wrap it up there. Hopefully you found it helpful. Join us. Follow me on X. I'll put the quote and card of the day on there as well. Maybe some different pictures. Put a little bit extra content there time to time. Get some requests on X. What coins do you want to see? Leave me a comment below. What do you want to see more of? Less of? Longer videos, shorter videos, more altcoins, more Bitcoin. Cover Bitcoin every day in Telegram. I'll end it there. And Chainlink to 15. And we go green. We're blue.